Oh no, my phone is completely dead. I charged it last night, but it does not turn on.
Good morning, Sarah. You look worried. What happened?
My phone is not working at all. The screen is black and I cannot check anything.
Maybe the battery is broken. Did you try restarting it?
Yes, many times, but nothing happens. I feel so lost without it. I use my phone for everything: messages, music, even checking the time.
Do not worry, Sarah. We will fix it together. Let's go to the repair shop nearby.
Where is this repair shop? I do not know the way.
It's not far, just 15 minutes walking from here. We can walk together.
I feel nervous. I usually use GPS to go anywhere. Without my phone, I feel unsure.
Relax, Sarah. Today we will find the way ourselves.
Okay, let's go there. Yes, let's go.
Wait, which street should we take?
Just look around. Follow the main road.
There are many small shops.
Yes, and many people too,
I never noticed these streets before.
because you usually watch your phone. Look at the bakery. Can you smell the fresh bread?
Wow, it smells amazing. I usually order online. I never thought real bread could be this good.
See? Sometimes the world is better than a screen.
I think we took the wrong street. Everything looks unfamiliar now.
Do not worry. We can ask someone for directions.
Yes, but I feel nervous. I am not used to this.
Relax, Sarah. Let's find someone and ask politely.
Look, there is a man walking.
Perfect. Let's ask him politely.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help us?
Yes, of course. How can I help?
We are looking for the phone repair shop. We are a bit lost.
Oh, yes, I know it. Walk straight 2 blocks. Then turn left. You will see a blue sign.
Thank you very much. That is very helpful. Yes, we appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, now we can go. Yes, let's continue our walk.
Wait. Do you hear that?
Hear what?
Listen carefully. A man is playing guitar.
Wow, it sounds beautiful. So calm and soft.
Yes, live music is very different from phone music.
I usually listen through headphones. This feels real.
Exactly. You can feel the sound around you.
I like it a lot. It makes walking more enjoyable. Look at that shop.
Oh, it is a bookstore. It looks cozy and quiet.
I always miss such places because I am busy with my phone.
Yes, sometimes we miss the simple things. Today we notice more because of your broken phone.
You are right. This is actually nice. I feel happy just seeing it. Wow, this park is really beautiful.
Yes, it's very beautiful.
Look at the children. They are playing and laughing.
And the dogs are running around.
I can hear the birds singing too.
Yes, and the air feels fresh.
You are right. I usually do not notice these things.
because you're always looking at your phone.
That's true. I normally walk while staring at my screen.
But today, you are seeing the real world.
Yes, and it feels amazing. I feel calm and happy here.
Sometimes a small break from the phone is good.
I think you're right. Hello, my phone is not working. Can you check it?
Sure, let me take a look. It looks like the battery is damaged.
Oh, can you fix it?
Yes, I can replace the battery.
Really? That is great. How long will it take?
About 1 hour. You can wait here or come back later.
1 hour is fine. We can go to the park while we wait.
Yes, I think I can stay without my phone for 1 hour. Usually, 1 hour without my phone is very hard for me, but today it feels different.
Yes, today you saw music, streets, books, and this park.
It feels different, but I like it.
Today you saw the real world, not just a screen.
I think I smiled more today.
Exactly. Phones can break, but life continues.
Yes, and I feel calm here.
Sometimes a small break from the phone is good.
I think so too. Today feels like a peaceful day.
Your phone is ready. The new battery is working well.
Oh, great. Thank you. Let me see. Yes, the screen is bright again. My phone is working now.
That is good news.
Yes, it is.
But today was an interesting day.
What do you mean?
Sara.
Even without my phone, I had a very nice day. I saw many things that I usually miss.
That is a good experience. So, are you happy now?
Yes, I am happy. But today taught me something important.
What did you learn?
I learned that life is bigger than a phone.
That is very true.
Sometimes we should look up at the world, not always down at our screens.
Yes, there are many beautiful things around us.
Today, I saw music, parks, birds, and people. It was a very special day.
And a very good lesson.
Yes, phones are useful, but life is more beautiful.
If you enjoyed it, please like the video. And you can subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you don't miss our next story. We will see you again very soon.